now, I'm standing in front of my tree of choice, the oak. Oaks are a symbol of hardness and resilience, which is one of the reasons why they inspire me so much. Oaks belong to the beech family, also known as Fabaceae in Latin. It's a widespread family of trees with over 600 known species, extending from cool temperate to tropical latitudes in the Americas, Asia, Europe, and North Africa. Another reason for loving this tree is its importance for the whole ecosystem. Oaks provide food in the form of tiny little acorns for more than 100 species of wildlife, and their huge trunk and branches provide shelter for many birds and mammal species. I'm sure there are some hiding here as well. The Lucerne oak was featured on the 5 lipa coin, Croatia's recently retired currency. It is also the home to one of our most luxurious food, the truffle, which lives in symbiosis together with this beautiful tree.